Namaste, good morning, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about India Day Book, comprehensive round of stock in the news. It is based on positive, neutral, and negative. So we'll start with Thermex. Company secured boiler package supply order worth approximately rupees 1600 crores for an ultra supercritical thermal power project. Positive for Thermex. JNK India. Company secured major order worth 3 to 6 billion from JNK Global Korea for cracker furnace package support in Indian refinery. Very positive. Let's talk about some defense record approved in 2026 FI. SJVN company, sorry, it approves cumulative 6.7 lakhs crore. Let's talk about SJVN. Company 2012 megawatt Rampur Hydro Power Station set new generation record of 2098.0 MU, surpassing FI to 2019-20 level. Very positive for SJVN. Coal India. Company formed 50-50 JV DVC Civil Power Limited with Gamodar Valley Corporation of Power Generation and Energy Project. Initial equity worth 3,132 crores approximately. Satvik Green Energy. Company material subsidiary secured of rupees 14 crore order for supply of solar PV module from lending IPPS SPC players. Very positive. Let's come around NTPC. Company arms declares COD of third and last part of capacity of 75 megawatt out of 500 megawatt in Badla PV project. Neutral. Torrent Power. Company has received rupees 189 crore tax demand from the Lucknow authority. Neutral. GR Infra Project. Company backs EPC order worth 413 crore 0.37 crore from NTPC. Positive. Kalyani Steel. Company acquired 4.85 crore stake in Clean Renewable Energy KK1B for rupees 2.94 crores to strengthen capacity renewable power securing. Neutral. Let's talk about construction. Company has received rupees 1734 crore letter of acceptance from NI for a road project. Positive for KNR Constructions. Deepak Builder Company emerged L1 bidder for a construction project worth 474.25 crore from Oil India. Very positive. Deepak Builder. Okay, we have covered already. Let's talk about Mukund. Company will sell 14.2 acres of potential land in Deeg of rupees 445 crore, 3 acres of land in Kalwa, Thane of rupees 111 crores and 50% undivided. Bombay Dyeing Board appoint Neeraj Kumar as CFO and CRO effective March 31, 2026. Neutral. Samman Capital. Positive for Samman Capital. SEBI approve Awareness acquire of controlling stake in company. Vedanta. Neutral report. Company to split a 5 next month. Arvind Smart Spaces. Company has added its first residential apartment project in Bombay with the top line potential of rupees 300 crores and total estimated. Yes. Keynes Technology India. SEBI issues settlement order in Cider trading case positive. Up, Apollo Microsystem Motilal Oswal. Mutual fund bought 18.02 lakhs share at 189.58. This is good for long term. Satvik Green Energy Company Material subsidiary. Oh, we have already covered it. Let's talk about Jindal Stainless. JSL Overseas Holding bought 1.8 lakhs shares positive. Electro Steel Casting. Badrinath Industry bought 11.37 lakhs shares positive. So we have already covered Kaynes Technology, PG Electrocast, IOB, Cummins Tax Demand, NHPC. Let's talk about IndusInd Bank. RBI may push changes at IndusInd Bank board of over a year after hedging scandals. Neutral. Bombay Dyeing Board approve Neeraj. Yes, we have already covered all these things as well. JSW Steel, Tata Motor, PVN. It is a neutral news for Tata Motor. Mazdog, Colombo Dockyard stake, and IDFC Bank. So you can go through the PPT as well. We have covered the Eicher Motor as well and Colgate Palmolive. See, there is some ex-dividend, IRB Infrastructure, Triton Wells, TVS Motor Company, Aster, DM Healthcare, Crizel, Ireda, R&B, and TVS Holding. So there is some more. This we have already covered. Tax, regulatories, and IDFC fraud probe. So thank you for watching us. Let's hope good to go.